I have the great pleasure of being joined now by AASLD President Dr. Gyongyi Szabo and Dr. Mark Czaja, who is the course director for the Basic Science Symposium. Thank you both so much for being here. So let's talk about this renewed focus on basic science. 3 full days.
Exactly. So part of the initiative was to restructure the AASLD annual meeting, the liver meeting. And while doing that, we recognized that we have a very strong basic science presence at the liver meeting. And why not give an opportunity to bring those people together to really gain knowledge from each other and bring the best of science forward. So with that in mind, we have special interest group programmings, a full-day symposium of basic science and the basic research workshop with the President's Choice talk, which is going to be presented by Craig Mello, Nobel laureate.
So, Dr. Czaja, if you could talk to me a little bit about some of the presentations in basic science.
So we have some exciting presentations on Friday in the SIG conferences. For example, we have a SIG organized by the hepatotoxicity SIG group. They're going to be talking about novel systems for testing drugs for hepatotoxicity. And for instance, they're going to talk about taking cells from humans, making them into what's called iPS cells, induced pluripotent stem cells, and actually using those cells from patients to determine if patients might have liver toxicity from certain drugs. Saturday we'll have the all-day Basic Science Symposium, where we're going to be talking about autophagy, which is an important pathway in all cells, including cells in the liver that degrades things. We'll have some fascinating presentations. For instance, David Perlmutter is one of the first individuals to show in a rodent model of disease, a liver disease, alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency, that a drug we use to treat humans is in fact effective in treating that liver disease because it also induces this pathway of autophagy. And there'll be many more exciting talks about other areas of liver disease at that conference.
I think the science is so exciting in that there are so many advancements and things are happening so quickly. So what do you hope that attendees will get out of this and really be able to keep that enthusiasm going?
Well, we strive to be at the cutting edge and bring the state of the art in research with the philosophy that basic research informs the next phase of clinical research and potentially new medications and therapeutics. So this is really a very important element in advancing medicine, and it really trickles down at the end, hopefully, to the larger patient populations. And that is our goal overall at AASLD.
And as people hear these presentations and hear about the exciting research that's going on in basic science, how do you see them taking that information forward?
Well, the main idea is that our attendees are researchers themselves, and one of our missions, of course, is to promote research in liver disease. So they learn a lot from these conferences, they get new ideas, they learn new areas that they might want to work in, and then also they network, they meet new colleagues and collaborators, so hopefully a lot of new research will come as a result of these conferences.
And that's exactly right. It's that collaboration that helps move things forward in a tremendous way.
That's exactly true. And our initiatives by bringing in emerging scholars, providing funding for junior scientists through the AASLD and AASLD Foundation really kind of feeds into this whole theme of making medicine better for liver and liver patients.
Well, it should be a tremendous meeting then. Thank you so much, Dr. Szabo, Dr. Czaja.
Thank you.